Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you see, I have my cup of cappuccino that my husband made for me because I had a rough night last night. But I have some cleaning to do and we have to push on. Because it was a rough night, I had to get that to help wake me up a little bit and put some pep in my step. And I'm also feeling a little bloated. I know that's a little TMI and cramping a little bit, but that's how it is. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to me. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So right now the main thing I want to do is just get everything off of that dresser, declutter it, put things back where they belong, get everything a little bit more organized. As you see, that's what I'm doing. Do you guys have a Saturday morning routine? I'd love to hear about it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys are up to today. Are you cleaning? Are you just hanging out with family? Drop a line. So here I'm just getting all of Mason's toys and putting them back in his room where they belong. Unfortunately, besides the family room, our room seems to be the hangout spot, the gathering area for everybody. So this area gets a lot of traffic. We actually have to clean the carpet very often, which I think we did that about a month ago. So we'll probably be doing that again soon because we have a lot of traffic in here from the kids. And as you see, I have some Target boxes and stuff there that I need to put away. This is actually my husband's desk that he had in his office, and he no longer has the office over there, so we put it in our room. So it looks like we're going to have to basically downsize. I want a desk as well, so we'll have to get 2 desks for both of us. And then here I'm just cleaning off the papers, getting rid of some of the coupons and things like that. I actually have a lot of papers here that I need to go through and get rid of. So hopefully I'll be doing a declutter organization here soon as well. It's actually a decent sized desk. I actually got this for him when we first moved in here for his birthday, and for the price and the size of it, it wasn't bad at all. I actually got it from Wayfair. I believe they still have it. If I can find it, I'll go ahead and link it below in the description.
Don't you blame me? Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
I can't wait to update this room. I'm actually going to be adding a fresh new coat of paint. Not saying that I'm not happy with the colors that's in here, but I want to lighten it up a little bit more, sprucing it up a little bit more, make it more of our, you know, little oasis away from everything. So definitely going to be doing an update here with some different things in the room. So I can't wait to share that with you guys as well.
Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath.
And as you can see, we still co-sleep at the moment. My son's crib is still in here. He does have a bed and stuff in his room, which I was using like for, you know, guests when my mom came and things like that. But I can't wait soon to move him out and put him in his own space. Although I love having him in here with me, I'm ready to have my room to myself and hopefully try to decorate it how I want it. So we'll see how that goes. And the funny thing is he actually does go in there some nights out the weekend. He does go in there and sleep. So I think he's slowly but surely easing into, you know, having his own space as well.
I'm just gonna drive.
Let me know if you guys have this issue when it comes to bedding. Okay, so I have a king size bed and I'm very, I wouldn't say picky, but sometimes it's hard for me to find that comforter or comforter set that I like, because after a while they start looking the same, or you buy them, they're so expensive, and then you wash them and they start pulling apart so quickly. And then on top of that, I have to be, well, I don't have to be, but I am considerate of my partner, because I don't want to just get any type of comforter to throw in there. I want to be considerate to his feelings as well. Leave a comment below of some places that you guys may shop for some ideas where I can find some nice comforters. I'd like to see what you guys have listed. Here we're in the girls' room, and yeah, this is basically how it's looked from they woke up this morning. So this is what I have to work with. Usually, for the most part, it's kept up. I do have to get with my 7-year-old to pick up her things all the time, which, you know, with kids, I guess that's what you have to do. She sometimes leaves her babies, you know, laying in different places and things like that. So I have to have her, you know, clean up probably on a daily basis, I would say, you know, just to try to keep the place looking a little bit tidy. This bed, I love this bed. We got this bed set from Rooms To Go. And I don't think I really thought it through when we first got it, because I think I would have been better off going with two maybe twin size beds and putting them in an L shape. So I think that's what I'll be doing at some point. I'm not sure when, because it's going to be really hard for me to part with this bed because I really love it. But yeah, I think that would be the best bet for this bedroom. And then as I'm cleaning and moving around the room, I happen to go over here in this corner and pull back the curtain, and voila, more of Zoe's stuff sitting on the ground. Do you guys give your kids chores to do, you know, rather it be tidying up their room, emptying out the trash, things like that? If so, leave a comment below and let me know. And also, at what age do you start letting them, you know, help and get into tidying and keeping their space clean?
It won't go away. I've got rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands
If you guys are liking this video and you would definitely love to see more content from me, please hit subscribe and the like button, and it would definitely help me out a lot.
because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like
I left her doll on the windowsill there so it could dry out from the sun, since it has water in there from when she took a bath the night before. Now I'm going to just vacuum up in my room, and then I'm going to make my way towards the girls' room and just finish up vacuuming the 2 rooms that I'm showing you guys today.
Tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody. We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till.
Here is the finished product. I know I didn't show the entire process, but I did vacuum the entire room. Although I didn't show it, I cut the video short. I did finish doing that. I didn't want to draw out the video too long. And here, basically, you see these marks is from, the kids playing with the toys and banging up against the dresser. So I do have to get some paint to touch that up. I am waiting on some more boxes from Target to be doing a haul coming pretty soon on my channel, so I will be sharing that with you guys pretty soon. The girls' room is complete. I'm not sure how long this is going to last, because usually after I finish cleaning, my daughter goes, right back in there and either messes up the bed or takes out toys all over again. But I guess that's just what you have to deal with when you have young kids, and hopefully she'll be able to keep her nightstand a little bit tidy, because that's always getting junked up. So basically now I'm finished cleaning up the entire house, and this is later on in the day. You see that my hair is different and I have on different clothes. I was so hot. We actually went to the dump a little earlier and threw some items out in the garage, so I had to come home and take a shower after that. And as usual, Mason likes to lay up in the bed when I'm folding clothes, or he even sometimes comes to help me. So he's sitting there on his tablet entertaining himself while I'm folding the clothes. And I just wanted to say, although I didn't show it, I did clean the entire house. That's what I usually do. But I knew that it would take too long to show you guys all of that. So I decided to just show you the master bedroom and the girls' room. But I definitely will be sharing, more of the house with you guys. But I think it's easier just sometimes to break it down in smaller sections. And if you guys are still here towards the end of the video, I appreciate you guys, watching the video and keeping me company while I cleaned. And I hope you guys were also able to do your cleaning. This also kept you guys company and inspired you and motivated you to go ahead and do some things around your home as well. I had a big pile of clothes. I got the big pile down. So that's what you see right there. That's basically 1.5 loads of clothes. I still have, basically did 5 loads. So I got the big pile down. I'll basically have 3 more loads of clothes to go. I usually don't wait until the last minute to fold the clothes. I usually, once I get a couple loads out, I'll fold them at a time. And then I'll start putting them up, so I don't have a huge load of clothes to put up towards the end. I think it's a lot easier that way. It makes life a lot simpler. Good morning, guys. I'm actually here closing out my other video, my cleaning video from Saturday. I just realized that I didn't do my outro on that. Today's actually Tuesday, so if you see me in this outfit in another video, it's because I'm actually starting my 30-day challenge for myself. So I just wanted to thank you guys for spending your time with me on Saturday and cleaning. If there's any type of videos that you want to see me do, or any other type of videos you want to see me do, please leave a comment below. Remember again to like and subscribe. I would love to share with you guys, anything that you're interested in seeing. And thanks again. Stay tuned.